Hi class, I created a new assignment in Nearpod once again. This time I created a video to help show you guys how to use it because I was grading the assignment and saw quite a few mistakes. So when you guys come to your assignment page, it's under classwork. You guys are going to look at the Net Force game assignment and you're going to click on Nearpod Net Forces. Once you click that, you get a new tab open. It says, welcome to the session, and it asks you to type in your name. Let me go ahead and erase this so you guys can see what you're going to see. It says name/nickname. So I want you guys to type your first name and then your last name. And we're going to click join session. And we're going to enter the session. It's going to have some slides. If we do a little walkthrough, you guys can see there's slides reviewing information. There's going to be a matching game where you guys have to click on which pairs are the matching pairs. We're going to get ready for the Net Force game. And there's a video that explains the Net Force game and how to play it, and it even goes through a practice game for you. And then you get started on the actual game. We have 3 sets of games: Game A, Game B, and Game C. And then at the end, I want to just double check that you guys are 100% sure on your net forces and you guys can draw your own free body diagram. And when you guys do draw your own free body diagram, make sure you guys write the net force acting on it, so which ways it's going to go. And that you guys write the net force down here. So is it like 100 newtons to the left, 200 newtons up, whatever free body diagram you are choosing to draw. And don't forget to click the lock button to save your drawing. Otherwise it won't save. And then right here, you guys are just gonna finish it off with a self-reflection. And you guys are really awesome. And you guys are probably even more amazing than this unicorn. Thank you so much for bearing with me. And hopefully you guys can get started and I'll get those grades in as soon as possible.